Heart of Love song, the song from the east, from Harborview, Kingston 17. Bobby, Israel and Yardy, this is Lukie D. I know, Heart of Love will put the woman them first. I will show them it like this. Heart of Love put the woman first, yeah. Bobby, you put them first. Listen. If the gleam in the sun one ain't spinning, they fit on my truck that I could remember. If they came in the set, no stem, no seeds, ain't no back then, I could remember. If they drip from a wrist and look like a shine on blue day, yeah. But I hope, God, Heart of Love by your lover. If it wasn't for the Saturday All-Star Weekend game, I would remember. If it wasn't for the Saturday Double Up Weekend game, girl, yeah. If it wasn't for the door getting 50 to see the show, then you know, baby, still me, oh. How could I ever forget to be? But now I realize that you need love too. Spend my time making up to you, but oh girl, Israel, I love her. When she starts bringing up all that, and the fights keeps getting worse, finding numbers in her purse. You better put that woman first. When you know she ain't wearing a ring, and then she starts playing little game, coming in late from work. Oh, Heart of Love, Yardy. I know you put the woman first. Heart of Love, I know you put them first. Yeah. If they gleam in the sun, one ain't spinning, they fit on my truck then.